Okay, this is all capped honey right here. Look at that. It's all capped honey. All right, Jesse, don't eat the honey. Brush them bees back in the box. Use your hands. Just brush them all back in there. Brush them back in the box. And we'll go ahead.
They like this better than the brush.
All right, they all got to go back in the box. There you go. And then we'll take that. We're going to get us a frame right there. Okay, you got to take it and put it in there quick and close it up once you get the bees off of it. So, and here's what we got inside there. All right, we ought to get about 50% of that honey out of there now.
So about